Hey guys, Coral Jade here. Today I'm going to teach you how to do this neck spin, plus some variations once you get that basic one down. So the first thing you want to do is have your feet about shoulder width apart. You're going to bring the hoop up to your chest. The hoop's just going to rest on your sternum like this. Your hands are going to grab the hoop also about shoulder width apart. Your palms are facing to the back. You're going to grip the hoop just like this, and you're going to push the hoop to the back of you. So I'm right hand dominant, so I'm going to push back with my right hand, and my left hand is sort of pushing it away from me, but most of the force is coming from my right hand. My left hand is going to catch it, but my right hand is also going to catch it straight afterwards, so it's very quick. So it looks like this. So another thing you want to do is bend your knees just a little bit. So when you push, you can kind of push up at the same time, and that will give it a little bit more momentum to get the hoop going nice and fast. So go and bend the knees slightly and push and catch. As you see, it's really, really fast. So you can't do this move slow. You've got to do it at lightning speed, otherwise it will not work. What you can do is you can push it with your right hand and catch it with your left, or the other way around if you're left hand dominant. But it is easier just to use both hands at the same time. So that is your basic neck spin. You'll want to try this trick both ways. So when you're able to get your preferred side nearly every time, you can start practicing it the other way, because that will come in handy later, maybe when you're trying to transition into different tricks. So some variations on this trick is you could do it one-handed, looks like that. You could also do a double neck spin, like that. You could also do like a tap back reversal, looks like this. See, that is why you want to be able to learn the other way. So for that one, you will need to be able to do it both ways. What you're doing is when the hoop comes back around, you're keeping your hand open, and you're just letting it bump it, and you're kind of pushing it back. So it's also really fast. Like that. So that is your basic beginner neck spin, plus some more intermediate and advanced variations on that trick. Hope you enjoy it. That is the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.